Hi, this is from Sose University. This is a job opening for the technology senior Azure Infra. The location is Pan India. The experience need is 7+ years. The salary rate is 27 lakh per annum. Skills must be Azure DevOps, Python, and Terraforms. The email ID will be given in the video description, so you can send your resumes there. The second role is QA automation test engine. The location will be Chennai and Bangalore. Experience need is 3 to 6 years. The experience 3 to 6 years has 11 lakh per annum package, and 6 to 9 years of experience candidate has 16 lakh per annum package. And the skills need is automation testing using Java, Selenium, and SQL skills. And the email ID. And the third technology is SAP FICO tax consultant. The location is Pan India. The experience need is 7 to 10 years. The salary rate is 25 lakh per annum. The fourth technology is SAP for the referral management. The location is Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Visakhapatnam. The experience need is 10+ years. The salary rate is 25 lakh per annum. The skills are CA, ICWA, or MBA Finance. And the fifth technology is DevOps Engineer for the location Pune, Hyderabad. The experience need is 5+ years. The salary rate is 25 lakh per annum. The skills needs are DevOps engineering with Java and Gradle and Linux. The links will be given in the video description, so you can apply from there or send your resumes to this email ID. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.